wireless pendant here. Shows me my position for whatever axis is selected, and then I have a lot of the same buttons I have over here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cycle start. Starting off with a dress cycle. Got a multi-plunge cycle. Step over a couple times. I think we're stepping over about 80% of the wheel width. The control manages all that automatically. You basically tell it the width of the grind, total grind, and the percent amount you want to step over per cycle, and then it automatically calculates that. So as your wheel, if you were side dressing on phase 1 or phase 2, and your wheel was getting narrower, it automatically will add more plunges in there. And then the width of the grind, you don't have to think about the wheel width when you're putting those parameters. You put in the width of grind you want on the part, and again, it's going to calculate the wheel width and figure out, the right hand or the swing position to stopping point based on that.